welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make Ridi, which is an Hausa name for sesame seeds bar. Kindly like my channel, give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and let's get down to it. In the heater skillet, pour your sesame seeds. Give that a good stir until it's brown. Basically, we're tossing the sesame seed to release its essence. Do you know Nigeria is like among the top 5 countries in the world that produces sesame seeds? In a pot, add your honey, add some sugar, give that a good stir. I'll be leaving all the description on the quantity in the description box below. Add a bit of lemon. This step is optional. Give that a good stir. Add some ginger. I love ginger, so I added ginger to this. Stir that up. Once it's properly combined, turn off the heat. Now it is time to combine the dry with the wet, so pour your toasted sesame seed into the syrup that we just made and give that a good stir, ensuring that all seeds are coated nicely, just like that. The first time I tasted this was from a colleague that bought it from all these malams that hawk things on the road. That's where you get ready to buy, really. Now you prep your baking sheet with some oil and then you transfer your mixed sesame seeds into the baking sheet. The reason for this step is to ensure that it doesn't stick to the baking sheet. So you take another prepped baking sheet and then you cover it, press it down a bit, and then using a rolling pin, roll it out, roll until it's less than a quarter of an inch, or maybe a quarter of an inch, depending on the thickness and how you want it. Yeah, thickness, I know, like thick. Yes, it rests for like about a minute, and then remove the top baking sheet and then cut it. Guys, this thing is hard, like hard. I like hard. So you're going to cut it to your desired shape, however you like it. But it's just easy for me to cut it into squares because my laziness is real. And so I tasted it and it is just like amazing. I wouldn't say orgasmic, but I don't even know the term to use, like with my taste buds right now. All I know is that this is just so good. So you cut it to the desired shape. Fam, if you know that you're not going to eat it that same day, please leave it open. If you cover it, it's going to melt, like literally. So remember that once you've cut it like this, leave it open because it's ready, guys. If you cover it, it will melt. Also, I did not tell you. Thank you so much for going on this journey with me. Until next time, guys. Mwah. Bye.